um, just focusing on sitting over there, not focusing on what you are delivering over there. So engagement, different kind of online and inline, and inside the classroom you can have different type of activities which can be engaged over there. Okay, interactive learning in the classroom. I have one question. You have a physical classroom, you do not have any kind of technology with you at that time. How you can make it interactive at that time? What ideas in your mind? How you can prepare a classroom with interactive learning environment? Can you share your ideas? What is required to make interactive learning inside the classroom? By asking questions. And the award goes to Dr. Shala Abasi because she is the first lady. She is answering quickly at that time and during all the presentation. Dr. Bushra, by changing the sitting arrangements. Okay, flashcards, great. Dr. Shumaila, flashcards, okay. Distribute some interesting handouts. Okay, great. This is what when you do not have any kind of technology with you. Now my question is, if you have a technology, you have the internet, you have the smart boards, you have the tabs, then what kind of interactive environment you can create inside the classroom? Okay, great. Inviting students to write on board, role play. This type of activities, inviting students to write on board, sometimes students are shy to come and stand in front of the whole class. And we do have a behavior being a student that if someone is making any mistake, the whole class is laughing over there. So here technology can play a vital role, that if you have the technology inside, you are engaging students, but no one have the options to laugh to other students. So how you can prepare the learning environment, interactive environment inside the classroom with technology? Dr. Attia, we can divide them into groups and ask them, make questions and answers their own, and ask their friends, like speaking actively. Very good idea. But again, here is one problem, that sometimes the students cannot take it seriously. Okay. Now my question is, if you have the technology inside the classroom, how you can make it interactive environment for the students? Very good. Dr. Atya Tasneem, very nice, very nice. Because this is one of the best technique, but I'm just saying that if you involve the technology, how you can do it in a better way. Showing video on same topic, great. This is another good idea, to show the video to the students before the lecture. Sometimes before the lecture, if you show the video that is related to your topic, because a human mind is, there is one research available that instead of listening, once you're watching something, you can memorize more easily. You can digest the information more easily instead of only listening or reading. Yes, you're right. In the beginning, they were shy. Okay. Very nice. Related topic, YouTube videos, it's good. But sometimes YouTube videos are very long in range. So how you can prepare that video? You have to download that video, you have to cut and paste and make them collectively. For example, 30-minute video, you can bring it out 3 or 4 minutes. So the purpose can be fulfilled and they can receive the outcome you're looking for. Most of the students are visual learners. Great. No doubt about it. Not only the students, even the teachers, everyone is visual learner. Visual learner have the more brighter side of the technology, because only listening might possible 75% of the informations can wave off, remove from your mind once you go out from the classroom. But once you have visual contents, you can remember, might possible the 70% of the information would remain in your mind even after the class. Anyone else? By using the technology, how you can create an interactive environment inside the classroom? Good. Okay, let's move on. Interactive content is learning material that involves the active participants of the learners, as opposed to just listening, reading, or watching. This is what we just discussed, everything. Okay, student participation, and if student have more participation, he can retain with you for longer time and more engagement. Now we can discuss about there are effective interactive teaching strategies offline. What kind of effective teaching strategies you can use it? There are three really important effective interactive teaching strategies which you can use offline. That is think, pair, and share. And you can go ahead with the brainstorming. And the last one is buzz session. How you can think, pair, and share? Set a problem or a question around a certain topic and pair up your students. Give each pair of students enough time so they can reach a proper conclusion, and permit the kids to share their conclusion in their voice. One of the best way in offline classes. Give them a proper time, let them think, let them pair, let them conclude, and let them tell you or submit the question in voice and over voice. Once they're speaking over there, they can bring out some good results over there. So this way, students will be engaged, communicating, and remember more of the class than ever before. The second one is brainstorming. Interactive brainstorming is more performed in group sessions. The process is useful for generating creative thoughts and ideas. Brainstorming helps students learn to work together and, above all, learn from each other. You'll be surprised by all the great ideas they come up with, because once you are giving them time, you're asking them for brainstorming, and that can be possible in the form of projects, in the form of grouping. So they can bring very good ideas. And I believe you are already implementing this technique in your classroom. The last one is buzz session. Participants come together in session groups that focus on a single topic. Within each group, every student contributes thoughts and ideas. Encourage discussion and collaboration among the students within each group. Everyone should learn from each other's input and experiences. So as a teacher, you could give your students some keywords to spark the conversation. Teacher is always a guide. For example, the students, there are different type of examples can be quoted over here. But I just want to tell you that teacher means that, for example, you give a special topic in the buzz sessions, and you have created different type of groups over there. But a best thing is a conversation starter. There should be someone who is conversation starters, and that is a teacher. You can give them some time of sentences, some type of keywords, and that can spark the conversation. So students start started discussion with each other. But initially, might be teacher need to take the initiative to give them some ideas, some kind of topic, some kind of keyword, some kind of sentences, some kind of definition, so they can take a start over there. So I believe these three effective interactive teaching strategies offline can perform the best. Think, pair, and share. You're already doing inside a classroom. You are just giving them some kind of topic, asking them to think, asking them to pair and collaborate with each other, and in the end you are asking them, this is the similar way that Dr. Atia just discussed, that she making the groups and giving them some assignments and then asking them to come up on the whiteboard and write down over there or speak over there. Once they start delivering the information in their voice, they can have more interactive over there. So interactive educational videos for online and blended learning are non-linear digital video technology that allows students to have their full attention to educational materials and to review each section of video as many times as they wish. This is the similar answer which Dr. Shumaila, I think so, mentioned over there, that showing the videos inside the classrooms related to the topic. But not only showing them, just upload into the LMS and ask them, okay, maybe like the best way, I believe the best way is before the lecture, you have to upload that video in to the LMS system into content area and send them the link and ask them, before coming into the classroom, please watch this video. Once they have, by going through this video, might possible only 20 or 30% they understand the visual effects, but inside the classroom you are playing the video again and explaining about your topic can bring this knowledge from 30% to 80%. So this is another best way to make interactive educational environment. You have to create the blended learning environment, online and blended learning. Blended learning environment means you are sending them some information for pre-class and sending them some information for the post-class. Pre-class means you are just asking them, you are not going to ask them some kind of question or assignments from them. You're just sending them video or presentation. Okay, just go through. Don't do anything, just watch 1, 2, or 3 times this video and come inside the classroom. Once they are inside the classroom, you have to prepare them with that video, with the lectures, and once you are delivering over there, believe me, this will be more effective and can bring more good results, because they already watched that video, and once they're watching it again with the explanation of the teacher, it means their knowledge can be jumped from 30% to 80%. Here I do have practical examples of interactive videos that how we can use this and what kind of videos we can prepare over there, and what kind of benefits of that video. So just go through this clip. I would have some questions by end of this video, so please watch this video carefully.
Branching allow viewers the power of choice to choose their own adventure and drive engagement. Instant downloads. There's no need to direct viewers elsewhere to access supporting material. Allow viewers to download documents and forms directly from your video. Capture user data. Generate sharper customer insights by encouraging users to share information. Leverage known data. Pass in known user information from your LMS and create personalized videos that directly communicate with each viewer. Show video content based on an employee's role and tailor content based on an employee's achievements or current ability. Sign in. Restrict content to specific employees or learners by creating password protected content. Chapter menu. Quickly add a chapter menu to your videos so viewers can jump to specific content instantly. Text annotations. Add text annotations to your video to support learning and reinforce messaging. Custom CSS. You can apply custom CSS and change anything from the colours and fonts of your video. You can even style the player itself with custom branding and colours. Custom animations. Take advantage of the CSS to add your own custom animations on text annotations. Pause and play. Set parameters that pause a video automatically, encouraging a user to interact with your video to resume content. Customize timeline. Disable a user's ability to skip along the timeline and ensure they don't miss any of your crucial content. Remove the timeline completely and create truly blended learning experiences. Quizzing. Test your viewers' knowledge by incorporating quizzing into your video. Adaptive quizzing. Change what the viewer sees next based on correct and incorrect answers to a quiz. Free response quizzing. Allow viewers to
Look, this is one of the interesting point over here. Once you're creating some kind of videos or assignments for your students, you can prepare some kind of videos that there is a quiz in between, and without answering that quiz, student cannot move ahead. So this is one of the best way to make them interactive with the lesson.
input truly personal responses and gain sharper insights. Set custom threshold. Set multiple questions within your quiz and you can control the pass threshold based on your own needs. Display live results. Display real-time results or grades as the user progresses through a quiz. Unlimited language support. Your browser is able to change and localize any language used in your video, just like a web page. Better still, you can create bespoke localization files using a simple template. Viewers can read any text in your video regardless of their own native language. Draw and highlight. Draw on top of your video to highlight key points of information. Future-proof. Keep content relevant by incorporating interchangeable images within your video. Product interfaces or company procedures can be updated instantly without the need to develop a brand new video. Templates. Develop an interactive template.
This is another very good point in this template video, that once you create or prepare the content, the visual content for your students, it means this is one-time effort for being a teacher. And next time you just you can alter the all kind of content within few minutes, and you do not need to recreate everything. So once you are putting your efforts to preparing the content, it means it's lifetime. For example, right now I'm presenting, it's been in the recording, so anyone can watch this video after 1 year or 2 years or 3 years. So one-time efforts can bring a longer time result. So that would be another interesting thing for the technology.
And apply your logo, branding and interactive functionality to every single one of your videos instantly. Calendars. Do you have an upcoming event or conference? Then you can embed calendar invitations within your video and remove barriers for onboarding. Navigation. Guide guests to your upcoming event or conference location by embedding maps within your video. You can even take advantage of your viewers' inbuilt GPS to guide viewers directly to your location. Live webcasts. Broadcast your conference live, hold Q&As, conduct employee interviews, and receive instant real-time feedback from your audience. Live social network streams. Engage audiences and encourage brand exposure and receive instant feedback by including social network streams in your videos. Embed widgets. Embed any HTML widget that you feel can enhance your audience experience. Anything from content.
Now there are different softwares available. You do not need to make practice with the professional video editing tools. Now there are very similar and simple tools are available online, even inside the mobile phones. You can use picture-in-picture format, like you are delivering the knowledge, the lesson or lecture, and on right left side you can see on top right or left side you can add the videos related to your topic. So that is possible. KineMaster and Viva Video, and there are different type of softwares available for this kind of preparation of the content.
Platforms, job applications, employee satisfaction surveys, polls, anything you can think of, you can now embed within a video. Links. Link to any external content on the web. Track known viewers. Track track both individuals and groups to learn exactly how users are interacting with your video. Lead generation. Drill down and learn key information on each individual who watches your content. Find out what information they.
This is the similar that you are already using in LMS system in the Blackboard. These all features are available. You can track it down, all the information, and track history and learning history for the student.
Care about the most and what aspects of your product or service they engage with, and create bespoke targeted sales leads. Multiple devices. Retain interactivity on desktop, tablet and also on mobile via the Fuse app. And finally, responsive. Retain your interactivity when you want your video to be responsive or launched in full screen.
How to integrate effective and balanced technology in classroom? Question for you. We do have a small clip for that one, but I want to ask you that how to integrate effective and balanced technology in classroom.